Okay, thousands, millions.
You had like two.
You've heard of like Gangnam Style? That one? I have. Mine has way more hits than his. All right. So anyway, so
It gets like
exterior angle conjecture. If you have a polygon, hush, and these things, this angle here, okay, and this angle here. Let's pretend that these are all connected nicely. And this angle here, and this angle here, okay? And this angle here will go this way, even though I should have drawn it up here. Okay? Those add up to something. Anyone know what those add up to?
360.
They add up to 360. Yes? So that's all you have to know, is that the sum of the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles, of a polygon. This is on your conjecture sheet. Okay? Polygon is 360 degrees. Anyone know why this would be true? Yeah, exactly. What Delaney kind of said. I call it kind of the skateboarder guy term. Okay, here's my skateboarder guy. Okay, and he kind of comes down this way, and then he does a little kick and he turns on his skateboard, right? And then he comes down this way, and then he turns on his skateboard, and then he goes down this way, and then he turns on his skateboard, and then he comes down. Whoops, he comes this way, turns. And then he comes on this way, and I should have drawn this going straight this way, and then he turns. How many degrees has he turned when he's done, right? He's basically done a 360 when he turns all the way around, see? That's why those angles. But you have to understand that there's actually two exterior angles at each vertex, right? If I extended this side here, if I extended that side, this angle and this angle, what's true about those two angles? They're vertical angles and they're congruent. So you should kind of qualify to say the exterior angle conjecture, the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, and you could say one at each vertex. Oh, I don't want to be writing these other ones. One at each vertex is equal to 360 degrees. Now this thing here, that's not an exterior angle, right? So the exterior angle has to have the side of the polygon as one of its sides, and the other side extended out this way as one of its sides. So this thing in between the two exterior angles is not an exterior angle. All right. So then another way this can be used is, suppose that I have a regular pentagon. Okay. Can I draw a regular pentagon? I think I can. Watch me go. That's a hexagon. Pentagon. Okay, let's pretend that this is a regular pentagon, and then I were to extend the sides. So let's say this plus this. Anyway, so what is the sum of each, or not the sum, what is find the measure of each, you have to be careful whether I say exterior or interior. Exterior angle in a regular pentagon. So, good, how'd you figure that out?
The inside is R108.
Yeah, but how about by finding the outside? What do you know? 360 degrees divided by n, right? Or 5, which in this case, it's 360 divided by 5, which is 72. Now, what, because all the way around, right, it's 360 degrees. And since I have 5 exterior angles, then I get 72. Now, what Riemann said is that I could have got that this angle is 108 in 2 ways. The first way is to take 72 and do what with it? How can I, if I know this angle, how can I find this angle? Supplementary, right? So go 180 minus 72, and then I get 108. Or I can go n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, okay? And I also get 108 if n is equal to 5. Okay, so that's on your conjecture sheet. Kind of move on to your conjecture sheet, and then I will be about done. Okay? Yes?
I have a question.
Yes?
So every time you add a side, is it like 180 degrees more that the inside has to add?
Yes, it is. Okay? Good. Are we in chapter 5, right? Okay, so where is this? Uh-oh, I'm not seeing. Not there. That's okay. I have this on my website somewhere.
Very cool.
Look at how I made it colorful. Yeah, thank you. So then you should be able to fill in these conjectures right here. Because first of all, the pentagon sum, we did that. We did the polygon sum conjecture, n minus 2 times 180. The x for any polygon, the sum of the measures of the exterior angles is, oh, don't do that. It's, I have to change something. Change pages, annotate over desktop. Okay, is 360 degrees, right? And then an equal angular conjecture, you can find the measure of each interior angle of an n-gon by using either of these formulas, okay? So the first formula is the one I showed you.
N minus 2 divided by, or times 180 over 5, over n.
Over n, okay? Now the other way you can do this, since to find each exterior angle, you could go 360 over n, right? And if I take that and I subtract it from 180, I will get each one of the inside angles. Understand? So if I take 180, and this gives me each exterior angle of the regular polygon, and I subtract each exterior angle from 180, I'll get the same thing. I think this one's easier to use. But this one's useful to algebraically if you want to do that. We'll worry about these tomorrow, and I think that's about it. Your homework is what you're going to work on now.
We've been working hard, but
Is
no Halloween.
your homework is there. Where is it? Right here.
How about if we all get our homework done in the next 2 days, then we won't have homework Halloween night?
How about
Are we really gonna have Halloween?
he's going to give us a challenge.
Hey, we have a lot of homework Halloween night.
Why would you give us homework Halloween night? Would be the best night.
I'm going to leave this recording so your parents can hear you whining. Okay.